So during the VAWA process, you will get what's called a prima facie determination letter. And that's a letter that tells you they don't need anything from you right now. And at this time, they believe you qualify. They just have to do a more detailed review of your application before making a final decision. And a lot of people ask, what does that mean? What can they do with a letter like this? I'm going to tell you exactly what that means. I'm a U.S. immigration attorney, Sharifa Tharp, and I help clients through this exact process to get their permanent residence, their work permit, and travel document. If you're in a situation where you're being mistreated by a U.S. citizen or legal permanent resident spouse, a parent, if you're under 21, under 25 in some cases, or by a U.S. citizen's son or daughter who's 21 and up. Now, let's get back to the prima facie determination letter, and, I'll explain to you exactly what it means. Now, I like to compare it to a pre-approval letter that one would get during the mortgage process. When you're applying for a mortgage, they issue a pre-approval letter first, and that usually tells you how much they're willing to lend you. And that's based on a preliminary review of your credit score, your income, and other factors that they need to determine whether you qualify for a mortgage. When you make the offer on the home is when they make the final determination on whether they're going to give you that loan for that specific home. And so they issue you that final approval letter and move forward with the home buying process then. Now, in this VAWA process, what they're saying is, in the meantime, they're going to issue this prima facie determination letter that says, based on their preliminary review of your application, they believe you qualify. And if everything panned out to be true, in the application, they would approve it now, but they have to wait to do a final review. And so then they pass it on to the officer that's going to do the final review. And if they have any questions, they'll bring it up then. So the prima facie determination letter is good news. It shows that your case is going in the right direction, and it's usually a waiting game from there. But in some states, many states, you can go to the state's office, government agencies like the Human Services Department, and the prima facie determination letter can be used to help with certain benefits that you need to get settled here while you wait for the final decision from VAWA. So that's the main use of it, is to allow you to get benefits while you wait in the U.S. But also at the same time, it is good news for you. You're going in the right direction.